In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a journal and create payroll liabilities in Zoho Books. Whether you're a Zoho Books pro or just starting out, this process is essential to managing your business finances effectively. To get started, open your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where all your financial wizardry will take place. Notice the diverse set of tools available. Our focus today will be on managing your payroll liabilities through journal entry. Head over to the Accountant section. It's like the heart of Zoho Books for any accounting-related tasks, providing access to features that facilitate seamless financial management. Once you're in the Accountant section, you'll want to click on Manual Journals. This is where you can record any accounting transactions outside the usual sales or purchase invoices. Now, here is where you can either create a new journal or edit an existing draft. For this tutorial, we'll start fresh with a new journal. The next step is selecting the location option. This is particularly useful if your business operates in multiple locations or branches. It helps in organizing financial data distinctively. After you've got that set, the date field is your next stop. Picking the right date ensures your journal entry corresponds to the accurate reporting period. Now move on to Journal. This field logs the unique identifier for your journal entry, adding a layer of orderliness to your records. Afterward, the reference/entry assists in tagging your journal entry to specific documents or external transactions, thereby enhancing traceability. Don't overlook the Notes section either. It's an excellent spot for jotting down any little details or reminders related to the entry. Up next, click on Reporting Method. This option dictates how transactions are formatted for reports and may align with your accounting standards, whether it's cash or accrual basis. Now it's time to select the correct currency for your transaction, which is crucial for ensuring that your financial data reflects accurate exchange rates. Follow this by clicking on Account to choose the appropriate ledger account that the transaction will affect. Moving along, you'll click on Description. This field explains the nature of the transaction, ensuring precision in your journal entry. In the Contact section, ensure you note the related parties involved, if any, which can later help in detailed analytics. When it comes to tax, make sure you apply the correct tax code to comply with government regulations and avoid any fines. For the monetary movements, enter the relevant amounts in debits and credits. This dual entry helps maintain an accurate balance in your financial records. After entering the details, take a look at the subtotal to confirm it's correctly calculated. Lastly, highlight anything crucial by using the highlight function to signify priority or areas needing further attention. Once you have reviewed everything, it's time to lock in your work. Click on Save and Publish to finalize your journal entry. This ensures your records remain updated and accessible for future reference. With that, you've successfully posted a journal and created payroll liabilities in Zoho Books. Remember, mastering your financial records is key to a thriving business, and with Zoho Books, you're on the right path. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you on your next accounting